The creation of the Shelby 1000 has came in the Las Vegas Manufacturing Center as a package of Shelby American Week during SEMA. The beast features wheels, bodywork and suspension, and a V8 that is brand new. The hot rod swaps that the GT500's inventory V8 using a 5.2-liter engine paired using a 4.5-liter Whipple supercharger, a 90-degree twist and alter GT 350-cylinder heads. Additionally, it receives upgraded transmission, intercooler, a new gas system control unit and tuning. The body comes with rear diffuser, a brand new front fascia, hood rockers, quarter panels, back and front track and exhaust. Underneath is more powerful spindles, a totally adjustable coil-over suspension and hubs wheel studs along with a Brembo system. A spokesman informs the 5.8 liters is no more available and also that the output signal will be greater than 1000 horsepower. Shelby claims that the Mustang is much more complex than the Stage, which makes the Shelby 1000 a vehicle. Contrary to the Shelby 1000, that was provided in both road and configurations, Shelby said it chose to create the generation and emissions non-compliant track automobile. Prices begin not including the Ford Mustang GT. That is true. Just 50 per model year is going to be constructed, starting at 2018's initial quarter.